Hello? Can you help me? I feel very sick.
Good morning. Welcome here. What is the problem?
My head hurts. I have a cold. I feel very weak.
I am sorry. Do you have a fever? Let us check it.
I think so. My skin is hot. I feel very cold.
Sit down here. Stay calm and relax. I will help you.
Thank you, Mark. You are very kind. I need good medicine.
We have many things. Do not worry. We will find it.
Is the pharmacy open late? I need to know.
We close at 9. It is early. You have much time.
That is good. I live near here. I walked to you.
Walking is hard. You need some rest. Rest is very important.
I agree with you. I am very tired. My job is hard.
Are you a teacher? You look like one. You have many books.
Yes, I teach English. I talk a lot. My throat is dry.
That is the reason. Teaching is a loud job. I understand you.
Please give me something. I want to recover. I want to sleep.
I will check the shelf. Wait for 1 minute. I am coming back.
I am waiting here. The shop is quiet. I like the smell.
It is herbal tea. We make it fresh. It smells very nice.
My throat is red. It hurts to speak. Can you see it?
Yes, it looks sore. It is a bad infection. You need a spray.
Does the spray taste bad? I do not like bitter. I prefer sweet things.
It tastes like mint. It is very fresh. You will like it.
That sounds very good. I love mint tea. It is my favorite.
Do you have a cough? Does your chest hurt? Tell me everything.
I cough at night. I cannot sleep well. It is very loud.
I have a syrup. It is for night. It helps the lungs.
Is it for adults? I am 20 years old. I am not a child.
Yes, it is strong. It is for everyone. It works very fast.
I will take it. What about my nose? It is very blocked.
I have some drops. Use them twice daily. They are very effective.
Will they hurt? I am a bit scared. I hate medical things.
No, they're gentle. They feel like water. You will be fine.
You are very gentle. I feel safe here. Thank you for listening.
It is my work. I like helping people. I want you healthy.
I want that too. I have many lessons. My students are waiting.
Stay home tomorrow. You need a break. Tell them you were sick.
I will call them. They are good kids. They will understand me.
Good. Health comes first. Work can wait.
Which bottle is better, the green or blue? I am confused.
The blue bottle is best. It has more herbs. It is very natural.
I like natural things. I do not like chemicals. Is it safe for me?
Yes, it is safe. It has no sugar. It is very healthy.
That is perfect. I do not eat sugar. I prefer healthy food.
We also have pills. They are for headache. Do you want them?
Are the pills big? I cannot swallow big ones. I have a problem.
They are very small. They are like candy. You will not feel.
Okay, give me those. I need my head clear. I have to read.
Do not read today. Give your eyes rest. Sleep is better medicine.
You are very wise. I will follow you. I will go home.
Wait, I have tea. It has lemon and ginger. It is very warm.
Ginger is very strong, but it helps a lot. I will take it.
It is in bags. Put it in water. Drink it very hot.
I have a big cup. I will drink it all. It will be nice.
Do you need a thermometer? We have digital ones. They are fast.
No, I have one. My mother gave it. It is very old.
Old ones are good, but be very careful. They have glass inside.
I am always careful. I'm a teacher. I watch everything.
I can see that. You are very smart.
Do you have vitamins? I want to be strong. I need more energy.
We have vitamin C. It is very popular. It is in orange.
I like orange flavor. Is it a drink or is it a pill?
It is a tablet. It bubbles in water. It is very fun.
That sounds like magic. I will take 1 box. How many are inside?
There are 20 tablets. Take one every morning. It is enough.
Good. What about tissues? My nose is running. I need many tissues.
We have soft packs. They have aloe vera. They are very soft.
My nose is red. Soft tissues are great. Give me 3 packs.
Here you go, Anna. Anything else for you? Do you need soap?
No, I have soap, but I need honey. Do you sell honey?
Yes, we have local honey. It is from the forest. It is very pure.
Honey is good for throat. I put it in tea. I love the taste.
It is a small jar. It is very sweet. You will enjoy it.
This is a big list. I have many things. My bag will be full.
I have a paper bag. It is very strong. It will hold everything.
Thank you, Mark. You think of everything. You are very professional.
I try my best. I want happy customers. You are a nice guest.
I am happy. I feel much better. The talk helped me.
Kind words are medicine. They help the heart.
How much is it? Please tell me the total. I am ready.
Let me check. Syrup, pills, and tea. It is $40.
That is a lot, but health is important. I will pay.
Do you have a card or do you have cash? We accept both.
I have my card. I will use it. Where is the machine?
It is right here. Please put your card. Now enter your PIN.
Done. Is the payment okay? Did it work well?
Yes, it is approved. Here is your receipt. Keep it in bag.
Thank you. Now, tell me again, how do I take this?
Take the syrup tonight. Use 1 small spoon. Do not take more.
1 spoon at night. I will remember that. And the pills?
Take 1 pill twice. One morning and evening. Use plenty of water.
Morning and evening. I will write it down. I have a pen.
Good idea, Anna. Also, stay very warm. Wear a big scarf.
I have a yellow scarf. It is very warm. I will wear it.
Eat some warm soup. Chicken soup is best. It is a classic.
I will make some. My kitchen is small, but I can cook.
Perfect. You are ready.
I am ready.
Here is your bag.
Thank you, Mark. Thank you for everything. You are a great man. I feel very lucky.
You're welcome, Anna. It was a pleasure. Get well very soon.
I will try my best. I will rest today. No books and no work.
That is the spirit. Go home and sleep. The sun is setting.
Yes, it is beautiful. The sky is golden. I love this time.
It is a magic hour. The air is fresh. Walk slowly to home.
I will be careful. The street is quiet. There are no cars.
If you feel worse, call. I'm here tomorrow. We open at 8.
I hope I feel better, but I have your number. Thank you, Mark.
You have my card. It's in the bag. Call me anytime.
Goodbye, Mark. Have a lovely evening. See you very soon.
Goodbye, Anna. Take care of yourself. Be a healthy teacher. Take care.
I will.